Good morning, students. Last class we discussed few problems. Okay, regarding in that remainder that are will be. Okay, today we will discuss remainder theorem. Before going to this, already we know in a division, for example, 15 divided by 4. 15 divided by 4. We know division. With 15 divided by 4 means 15 by 4. 15 by 4. Always denominator means to do with denominator. Closure. Division means always do with denominator. Okay, see here. 4 3s are 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12, the remainder is 3. The remainder is 3. Already we know previous classes we discussed. Okay. In primary also so many problems we done here. Here 3 is called quotient. 3 is called quotient. And 3 is called remainder. Remainder. 15 is called dividend. Dividend. Here 4 is called divisor. Okay, divisor. Okay, see here. After we will see here quotient is 3, remainder 3 and divisor 4. Dividend is 15. We will check that the problem is right or wrong. And we have a formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. So dividend again here 50 is equal quotient 3. 3 into divisor 4 plus remainder 3. According to board mass, here multiplication, addition both are there. According to board mass, product should do, multiplication should do. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 15 is a dividend. Okay. So many problems before also came. Okay. In 6th class, 7th class, 5th class, so many problems also came. Using this formula, checking also possible. This is 15 is a dividend. Okay, we know the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. These are for constant values. Okay, these are also possible here for variables also. In one variable, two variables, for quadratic, for cubic. Everything is possible using this formula. Okay, once we will see here x cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. Okay, we will do this division with x plus 1. X plus 1. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay. Actually we have x cube. We want x cube. We have only x. When we will multiply with which number? We want here x cube. Then x cube. We want x cube by, we have here in divisor x. X went to total 3x. X cube is 3. In that one went to. So we will multiply here. X square remaining ones. So x into x square x cube. X into x square x cube. Here not only x, we have one more constant also, 1 also. Okay, we have one more, this value also. So 1 into x square plus x square. X into x square x cube plus 1 into x square. Then like normal division only, subtraction should do. 2x square minus x square and x cube we are cancelling. Why? One is positive, one is negative. Now coming value is 5x plus 5x. Okay. We want x square. We have only x. So with which number? With which value? We should multiply. We will get means like that. We will take x square means 2x are there. X went to, so with one x we will multiply. We will get. Okay. So x into x square. Not only x, we have 1 also here, plus 1 into x 1x or x, both are same. At the time of subtraction, plus x square minus x square, possible cancellation. 5x minus x 4x, 5x minus x 4x, and see here plus 3. We want here 4x, we have only x, with 4 are multiplying means 4 into x, 4x. So plus 4. 4 into x, 4x, plus 1 4 are 4. 1 4 are 4. Subtract. Plus 4x minus 4x went to. Then this one also minus only. Plus 3 minus 4. Plus 3 minus 4. Then remainder is minus 1. This is called remainder. X square plus x plus 4 is called quotient. X cube plus 2x square plus 5x plus 3 is a dividend. And x plus 1 is a divisor. Okay, we'll write here. X plus 1 is a divisor. This is a divisor. This is a dividend. And here for quotient came. Quotient to x square plus x plus 4. Remainder came minus 1. We know the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. We will get dividend. Okay, quotient is x square plus x plus 4 into divisor. Divisor is x plus 1. Here any symbol not there means multiplication only. Plus remainder. Remainder means minus 1. We will check now. Is equal. With the x plus 1 we will multiply x square into x plus 1. X square into x plus 1 plus x into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 1 plus into minus 1. Okay? Now see, x square into x cube plus x square 1 x square plus x into x square plus x into 1 x plus 4 into x plus 4x plus 4 1 plus 4 minus 1 x cube plus x square. How many x squares we have? 2x squares. 2x squares. How many x we have? 4x plus x. 5x. And in constants we have one is positive, one is negative. Subtract should do 4 minus 1 plus 3. Once we check here dividend is x cube, 2x square, 5x plus 3 plus 3. So it is the dividend. It is dividend. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. See, this is one method when the remainder is other than 0. Remainder is other than 0. Maybe sometimes possible here 18 divided by 9. 18 is divided by 9. With 9 jar we will do for that division. See in this division 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. 2 is a quotient. 18 is a dividend. 9 is divisor. So quotient into divisor 9 2s are 18. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Dividend is equal to formula. So it is equal to 2 into 9. 2 into 9 plus remainder is 0. 2 9 are 18. 2 9 are 18. So at the time of doing division, remainder is sometimes possible 0. So here some remainder is 0. Remainder is other than 0 also possible. Then here remainder is 0. When remainder is 0, then dividend is equal to quotient into divisor. Quotient into divisor. Remainder is 0. Okay, once we will see here x square plus 4x plus 4 is divided by x plus 2. Is divided by x plus 2. With x plus 2, we will do the division. We will get here x square plus 4x plus 4. We want x square. We have x. So x will multiply x into x square plus 2 into x, 2x. At the time of subtraction, symbols are changing. Plus x square minus x square cancel. 4x minus 2x, 2x. Coming value 4. So we want 2x, we have only x, we multiply with 2. So plus 2. X into 2, 2x. 2 2s are 4. At the time of subtraction, symbols are changing. Minus 4 plus 4 cancel. Minus 2x plus 2x cancel. Here remainder 0. Remainder 0. Okay, see. Here remainder is 0. Here remainder is 0. Then quotient into divisor plus remainder. Remainder is 0. So quotient into divisor. Multiply these two, we will get dividend. We will get dividend. In a remainder theorem, say, for example, take any value x cube plus x plus 3 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. With x plus 1 we will do, with x plus 1 we will do the division. X cube, we want compulsory first of all highest power, after next power 3, next power 2 value is not there. Power 2 value is not there means instead of that should give 0. Means here 0 into x square plus x plus 3. Okay. We want x cube, we have x, multiply with x square. X square into x cube. Plus 1 into x square. Okay, at the time of subtraction, symbols are changing. Minus, minus. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Here 0 means there is no value. At the time of subtraction, minus x square will be. Coming value plus x. Okay, plus x. We want minus x square, but we have only x. We multiply minus x. Minus into plus minus. X into x square. Plus 1 into x. Plus 1 into plus into minus minus. X into x square. Plus into minus minus 1 into x. Okay. At the time of subtraction, symbols are changing. Plus minus x square cancel. Plus x 2x. And the coming value 3. We want 2x. We have x. So multiply with 2. 2 into x, 2x, 2 1 plus 2, subtract, minus, plus 2x minus 2x cancel, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, here x cube plus x plus 3 is a dividend, x plus 1 is a divisor, x square minus x plus 2 is a quotient, and 1 is a remainder. We want a dividend, we have the formula quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, in this class we discussed remainder as 0, other than 0 also we discussed. Next class we will discuss detailed remainder theorem. Okay, thank you.